This video shows how to buy shares of Lakeland Financial Corp, ticker LKFN. Lakeland Financial is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to trade. Open the platform search and type the ticker LKFN to find the listing. Select the result that matches Lakeland Financial Corp on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is Lakeland Financial Corp. Verify the ticker and exchange before proceeding. Choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your newly bought position will appear in your portfolio once executed. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.